Hi students, welcome back to our channel once again, Venkat Academy. Today we will discussing about the biology and chemistry 25 bits each. Okay, let's go. We will start that one. The first bit, the animal kingdom is divided into how many sub kingdoms? The right answer B is 2. These include the multicellular spawns and their cells are loosely aggregated and do not form tissue organs. That is the number one. The number two, these including multicellular animals with well defined which one organized organs and organic systems. These are the two types. Okay. The second question. Goitra, excessive growth of thyroid gland caused by the deficiency of iodine. Iodine deficiency. Due to this iodine deficiency, hypothyroidism, disabilities in the parents and children's whose mother were iodine deficiency during the pregnancy. Next question number 3. Antacid type of medicines are used in the providing the relief of person suffers. That is the right answer is stomach pain, because when the acidity forms more than enough for our stomach, that acidity will be effect of that stomach pain. So they must be use the tablet, anthracite tablet, that chemical formula magnesium hydroxide. This tablet is used to for stomach pain. That neutralization reaction will takes place. That is the reason. Next, the fourth question. Heart of the frog has how many chambers? The right answer is 3. 3 chambers have. In human and giraffe we have 1. The fish 1 atrium and 1 ventrcle. And 3 1 ventricle and 2 atria. The 4, the 4 chambers, birds and mammals have 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The next question, iodine test is used to detect, the right answer is stats. Generally, it is used to distinguish between starch, glycogen and carbohydrates. The next question, which part of the heart receives pure blood from the lungs? The right answer is A. The next question, when you eat polished rice, the deficiency of vitamin is vitamin B. The next question, in human blood have high percentage, the right answer is A, because it prevents infections by blocking. The human body must be have 4500 to 11,000 mm cube. Okay. The next question, primary unit of classification is, the right answer is D. Species are group of animals, plants, together living things that all share common characteristics. The next question, who was introduced binomial numeric nature? The right answer is C. The next question, what proteins are present in human body muscles? The right answer is A and B. Next question, what is the percentage of urea in human urine. The right answer is 2%. Generally, the 95% of water and 2% of 2% of urea and 0.1% of creatine and 0.3% of uric acid are present in our urine. The next question, RNA and proteins combine to form. Here the right answer is ribosomes. The next question, which of the following does not have RNA? Generally, the right answer here is the answer is incorrect. The right answer is plasma membranes. The next question, the powerhouse of the cells is known as, right answer is B, mitochondria, because mitochondria is the powerhouse of cells. So when the chemical reactions will take place, the energy is developed and produced. It is stored in the ATP adenine triphosphate. These energy stored into the mitochondria. The cells are stored this energy. Whenever they are utilizing that one, they are supply the body. The next question, the study of oncology is the right answer is C, cancer. Next, the Earth Day was celebrated on, the right answer is A, 22nd April. The next question, good condition for storage of seeds. The right answer is A, cooled and dry state. The next answer, which gland is called master gland? The right answer is pituitary gland, A. Because this gland is controlled all of your body, all the body is control the pituitary gland. Which of the following is supply iron our human body? The right answer is B, egg. The next question, which of the following options in the plant cells? The right answer is C. The next question, the main function of chlorophyll is, the right answer is D, because solar energy converted into chemical energy in presence of sunlight and water. The next question, what is the main function of the thyroxine? The right answer is B, increase the enzymes by the process of respiration. The next question, the main function of cytokinin is, the right answer is cell division. The next question, which one of main function of central nerve system working properly? The right answer is D, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is the most important vitamin in our body. Generally, vitamins are not developed in our body, then we have to take over through our food. The next question, testosterone secretes from the right answer is B. Okay guys, these are the important bits regarding biology. The next week more bits we will prepare, and this is for your conveniency, and please kindly cooperate with us. We are segregate previous exam papers, what they are announced the previous papers, what their examination papers. These bits only we are segregating, and I hope it is very useful to you. Please kindly subscribe, share and like our channel if you are like. Okay, students, now we will discussing the chemistry bits. The first bit, what are the fundamental particles of an atom? The right answer is C, protons, neutrons and electrons. The protons and neutrons are settled at the center of the atom is nucleus. The electrons revolved around the nucleus just like planets revolved around the sun according to Rutherford model of an atom. The next question. Natural rubber is a polymer of. The right answer is C. The third question. Pillows for wool contains. The right answer is A. Zinc oxide. How to purify mercury? The right answer is B. Roasting process. The next question. Which wave more faster when earthquake occurs? The answer is B. Second wave. The next question. Two atoms are said to be an isobars. The right answer is D. Generally, what is the difference between isotopes and isobars? The atoms are having different atomic numbers, same atomic numbers but different mass numbers is known as isotopes. For example, hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number 1. Hydrogen atomic number 2, the mass number atomic number 1, the mass number 2. Hydrogen atomic number 1, the mass number 3. These three are the isotopes of the hydrogen: plutonium, deuterium, and tritium. Okay. So what is meant by isobars? The isobars are have different atomic numbers but the same mass number. That is the isobars. The difference between them is only difference atomic numbers and mass numbers. The next question. Jute fiber is a part of. The right answer is B. The tape was coated with. The right answer is C. Ferromagnetic substances. Ferrous oxide. The next question. Who was the inventor of radioactivity? The right answer is C. Henry Becquerel. The next question. The natural gas contains the maximum. The right answer is methane. The radioactivity isotopes of hydrogen. The right answer is B. Tritium. Atomic number 1, the mass number 3. Quartz is a composed of. The right answer is calcium silicate. The latest discovery state of matter. The right answer is B. Bose-Einstein condensation. Actually, the matter is consists of three: solids, liquids, and gases. The recently discovered the Bose and Einstein condensation. Both Bose and Einstein conducted this experiment is known as Bose-Einstein condensation. That is known as the plasma. The gas is used to extinguish fire is. The right answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Dry ice is compound of carbon dioxide. The next question. How does the permanent hardness of water is removed? The right answer is C. By Permit process. The next question. Isotopes are have different atomic numbers but same. Atomic number is a difference, the mass number is same. Sorry for inconvenience. Bit number 17. Isotopes are having is a little bit correction. Isotopes are having a difference atomic mass but same number of atomic number. The next question: which of the following heaviest element? The right answer is nickel group. In the nickel group, the right answer is the A. The next bit: nylon is made of. The right answer is C. The next question: the polluted gas emitted from the vehicles is mainly. The right answer is carbon monoxide. Acetic acid is a weak acid because. The right answer is A. It is less ionized. Please correct the bit answers. There's the not a C, A. The next question: acid rains are caused due to the which gas is present? That is the sulfur dioxide. And the fossil fuels are burned. These fossil fuels are having sulfur. The sulfur reacts with the oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. It escapes from the earth to atmosphere. When the atmosphere they are mixed with water and the raining time is the water, it can form say an acid rain. The acid rain is causes the main is the sulfur dioxide gas. The next question: greenhouse gas. The greenhouse gas is the carbon dioxide. The next question: which of the following is not a carboxylic acid? The right answer is C. The next question: glass is actually. The right answer is a crystalline solid. Okay, guys. Students, please subscribe, share, and like if you are like this video. Next week we will meet together along with biology and physics. 50 bits we will provide to you. We are requesting all of you, please kindly cooperate with us and subscribe our channel to encourage to us. Thank you so much.